today we are going to react to a very newly launched trailer and very I can say most awaited trailer of all time, that is Mirzapur season 2. It was actually been like so much hype and so much talks that people were actually wanting to have a second season. I mean, first season was actually in a halfway through because Munna was actually taking the gun and to fight back, and Sharad is shaving his head, and same point of time he is remembering that his father wanted Mirzapur. So this was the ending part, but we also saw that Guddu actually instructs Gulu or something like that to like how to use a gun to kill Munna, but it actually happens something else. So many new things were actually were waiting for this top-notch thriller for us to see, and we are going to it was the most awaited thing, we all know that, because Sacred Games or Mirzapur or like Aparan, all this like got us a new limelight to watch, and like it was one of the fantastic things to ever do, like people to have this thing. But because the regional concept was also there, and same point of time people were actually able to connect to it at some levels. So it was one of the greatest things to ever happen, in such a like small screen, and we have so great actors, I would say, like which have been collaborated with this particular thing. It's like Pankaj Tripathi, Ali Faisal, Vikrant Massey, Divyendu Sharma. We have the whole list of Shreya Palgaonkar, who is actually daughter of Sachin, Sachin Palgaonkar, Rasika Duggal, Vijay Verma, Kulbhushan Kharbanda. So many people. The list goes on, and each and every one has done that job in a particular way, in a really proper way. So let's start with the reaction thing, and we are actually waiting for it from like half an hour, 1 hour, because it was actually given to me that premiere of the trailer season 2 was way to come, and I was actually waiting for that. So let's start with the video, let's start with the reaction. Like you, I am also excited for this particular video, so let's start with that. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to please click on my channel, the bell icon, show name and updates from me. Many new trailers, many new reactions are going to come up, so that you'll be able to get my reaction and be connected to me. So please do subscribe my channel. And without further ado, finally let's start.
जो आया है वो जाएगा भी, बस मर्जी हमारी होगी। गद्दी पे चाहे हम रहें या मुन्ना, नियम सेम होगा।
और हम एक नया नियम ऐड कर रहे हैं। मिर्जापुर की गद्दी पे बैठने वाला कभी भी नियम बदल सकता है। तो पंडित वापस आ गए, हम हो जाएंगे नहीं। अगली बात दुश्मन हाथ लगा तो बचेगा नहीं।
पापा की विरासत ये तो नहीं हो सकती ना कि दो लौंडे बीच चुराए तो उन्हें मार के चले जाए।
तो उसके लिए तो मिर्जापुर लेना होगा ना। आप ही का मन था ना कि आपकी बेटी मिर्जापुर पे राज करे, बड़ी ना सही छोटी करेगी।
मंत्री जी, हम पर्सनली आपका वोटिंग परसेंटेज बढ़वाएंगे, तो हमारे पार्टी की छवि वो भी ठीक हो जाएगी।
बिहार में आपका स्वागत है।
दद्दा त्यागी बहुत बढ़िया, बड़ा दबदबा है उनका। शेर के मुंह को खून लग चुका।
शेर की उम्र ज्यादा है लेकिन बूढ़ा नहीं हुआ है वो।
तुम्हारे दद्दा जब लेने जाते हैं तो सीढ़ी लगती होगी या खुद ही चढ़ जाते हैं?
दद्दा होते ही पर माँ चुप देते थे।
सीढ़ी तो उसके लिए भी लगती होगी।
ब्लू स्वीटी का उधार है, हम पे चुकाना है।
Wow!
बदला भी लेना है और मिर्जापुर भी।
Hey, wow, wow. Well, I am guessing, and I am going to be perfectly guessing about this thing that this is not going to end like Sacred Games. That was, the way it got started, it was like pretty hyped, and it just totally came down. This particular thing, I think so. It not having season 3, season 2 might be the like last one, because everything, all the things which were opened in the first season are going to get closed. Each and everything will be closed, and each and everything will be having its final due till all the season gets completed. I'm pretty sure about that. Each and every character which has been made it out in this particular thing, it's finally will be having its proper final output. What he's been doing, why he's been doing, and why all this particular thing are being made it up, so that making this whole series is the final output of how each and every characters will be making it our final exit for this particular thing. Absolutely superb, because sorry. So talking about each and every character, speaking of, I think so. Finally, in the final sense, only one person will be Shweta Tripathi. I thought she might be having a very small role in the first thing, and she would be like almost gone in the second one. But actually, they just like boosted up the character so much that she might be the person who will be taking the series ahead if season 3 will be happening. But the way all the things that the characters have been saying, the storyline is going, I think so everyone will be dead, and only Shweta Tripathi will be the Gajgamini, I would say, would take on the throne as of last. And last everyone taking from Ali Faisal or Pankaj Tripathi or Divyendru, Rasika, everyone will be dead. And if I'm not mistaken, Rasika Duggal does the suicide attempt in this particular trailer. So I think so that might be the thing which either the person will be suiciding or it may be killed. And at the last, Shweta Tripathi will be the last person to make the throne. Like this was, I feel so, the Mirzapur, the whole storyline as of now, I can make it out this. But it will be very entertaining, and each and everything, the way it has been going, I think so, this will be amazingly fantastic. Thrills, the suspense, the twisting of the stories, the characters who will be making attempt to kill each other, the storyline about that, super amazing. So this was the reaction. I am pretty excited about that. I hope you are too. If you like my reaction, if you like my review, I would like to request you to please give a big thumbs up to this particular video, so that I know that you like my reaction. I will do more reaction videos for you guys. Also, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also bell icon, so never miss anything from me. This is Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Have description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, or follow me. I would love to hear from you guys too. So we have a backup account of this particular channel, which is K4 Kavit. In case this particular channel gets closed due to the copyright strike or something like that, all the videos, or mostly all the videos, will be transferred over there, so that you don't need to have any you get connected to me over there too. You'll be able to suggest me or comment me anything without any stopping. So please subscribe to that channel, and that channel will be in the description below, so that you'll be able to just click on it and you can connect with me. Just subscribe to that channel too. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At the same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday will be comedy reaction, comedy routine, or comedy scene, or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu, or Malayalam, or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So the next reaction, next review, I would request you to stay connected.